winner, the representative of Bangladesh. We have celebrated. Now, the best actress is
Thank you very much indeed.
Nizere ko mukomeje kugubwa neza, ibihe byiza biri imbere kandi hari byinshi biduteguriwe uyu mugoroba kuri ino nshuro ya 10. I hope you're all excited for the 10th edition of Mashariki African Film Festival. Nous continuons à célébrer aujourd'hui, ce soir, le festival Mashariki African Film Festival pour la 10e édition. Now, what's next? Over to you, Lai.
benshi benshi cyane nk'umunsi w'amafilime menshi ariko tunamuzi nka director wa filime ishusho ya papa.
They might just not be in the center like we are. Or when you're doing volume. Nigeria had volume. We didn't have the budget for big films, but we had the speed to quickly turn around. Quick, fast productions. And we created so much volume. And after a while, the world started looking for us. The big media started talking about this storm brewing in Africa because we had caught the attention of the world. The question to all of you, as you are the leaders and the shapers of your industries, is what are you doing to catch the attention of the world? Of Lagos, Shantytown, and several other films. We have not stopped at volume. Because when the world begins to pay attention, they ask for more. We have now moved to quality. There is a different demand in this season. So as you figure out your strategy as you go back home, it has to play between volume, quality, or maybe just some groundbreaking stories that the world has not seen. Because there are still more stories to tell on this continent that will shock the world. Who is going to tell those stories? It is all of you in this room. Of course, we continue to face the challenge of piracy, which I'm sure all of you face. And that is where we must all not relent on being creatives. You must also hold government accountable. What we've done in Nigeria is to constantly organize ourselves. And I don't know how much you organize yourselves in your countries. You must organize yourself to hold government accountable. Government will not come to you, like I said to them on that panel in Choiseul. Government will not, nobody is coming to save you. They will only meet you halfway when they see that you started the fire and they want to be a part of it. When these grants. 2, they introduced a lot of trainings, especially international trainings. They sent a lot of filmmakers abroad. 3, they introduced policies that forced the radio stations and TV stations to play local content at some point 100%, at some point 70%. We forced agencies who used to use non-Nigerians to create adverts that they play in Nigeria. They cancelled all of them. I said, if you're going to do an advert for our market, you use our people. If you're not doing it already in your countries, you must organize yourself and hold your governments accountable. I'll tell you something. You have the voice, the actors, the musicians. You have the voice that shakes perception. A big part of what we've done in Nigeria is that the actors and the musicians use their voice to hold government accountable. So government is responsible to an extent. Government wants to look good to them so that they will leave them in peace. You need to create some small trouble. They already created troublemakers anyway. So you need to hold government accountable with the kind of policies that will force government to introduce what you need. I've been impressed with the Rwandan government in the last couple of days and the things that I've seen and all the big plans that they have and the things that they've rolled out. And I think that we can learn from that across our countries. The road ahead. I think the road ahead is to collaborate for impact. That's the future. How do we ensure that African cinema continues to thrive in the coming decades? I think the answer lies in collaboration. And that is why I said to you that I founded Mita Center. It is time for us to begin to look to our neighbors and learn from one another. I'll tell you one trick. Someone from South Africa tweeted something the other day. He said, it is so funny that Netflix creates a South African film, but they find a way to bring Nigerians inside so that they can get the promotion and the eyeballs of the continent. There are 570 million people connected to the internet in Africa. 154 million of those are in Nigeria. It's a force. You can't fault it. We've got to partner together. There are things that I want to learn. I met a fantastic animator yesterday from Uganda who we were on the panel together. Brilliant work. I want to collaborate with Rwandan filmmakers, with Egyptian filmmakers. Let's bring Hollywood to Egypt. Let's do big projects together. Let's together conquer the world. People sometimes say Africa is a country and so bloody what? What we should focus on is our competitiveness and our productivity, not to be saying, oh, no, we are different. When you tell America that America is a country, they don't argue. They don't waste their time on things that are not important. They focus on how do you say America is the most important nation in the world? How do we use our films to tell the world that you cannot do anything? It's strolling nicely in the train. I'm like, oh my God, this doesn't happen in Africa. I'm sorry. Because they understand soft power. But I'm not even focused on soft power today. I'm not focused on the soft power today that tells the world who we are. I'm talking about the soft power that helps us correct the stereotypes amongst ourselves. Soft power that helps us break the veil of stereotypes and perceptions that we have created amongst ourselves. I remember a funny story. I'm going to call out this country. I'm sorry. I got to the border of Kenya once, and the man said, "You know, I can stop you from entering this place." I said, "Why? What have I done?" He said, "Your men come here and take our women. You think you can just walk in?" I said, "Okay, well, that's not why I'm here." It's a joke, but it's also part of the things that form how we treat one another. Xenophobic attacks between South Africa and some other Southern African countries, within South Africa and Nigeria in some cases. We must ask ourselves hard questions and tell ourselves stories that highlight the positive things, so that we can stop losing out how much we're leaving on the table and come together as one. Let's bring the expertise from Uganda, from Egypt, from Nairobi, from all over, Equatorial Guinea, come together and help our continent succeed. Because at the end of the day, my people say, when the house collapses, it is the owner of the building that suffers the most, because he has to find the money to rebuild. Why short? If we do not come together urgently and learn from one another and use the skills of one another to leverage and to grow. It is time to change the narrative. We're quick to want to talk to the world. It is time to talk to ourselves. It is time to unite for better, for bigger. In the spirit of Ubuntu, we say it all the time, Ubuntu, but we don't live it. I am because you are. There are so many proverbs on the continent that speak to unity. But how are we united? I've been so blown away by the talent I've seen in Rwanda in the last couple of days. The creative sector, unlike oil and mineral resources that are controlled by other people, is controlled by us. We are the shapers. We are the makers. The future of Nollywood, the future of African creative economy is but only if we decide to support one another and start dreaming bigger. Thank you.
Thank you very much. One more time for Mr. Adebola Williams. Very inspirational speech. Very nice call to unity. Now before we proceed, we want to take a moment to also acknowledge and thank our sponsors. Later on, we have them on the screen as you can see them. There are so very many, but without sponsorship, be anywhere. So we thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
So when we first started, many people in our community hadn't experienced what the festival could offer. But over the time, through the Mashariki African Film Festival, they came to understand the value of bringing voice together, showcasing African talent and initiative, creating collaboration, networking. That's why I'm glad for my brother and my friend William Adebola for the good inspiration from Nigeria. I hope tomorrow I'll go to Nigeria and learn, we need to learn from you guys because, the film industry in Nigeria advanced a lot and now you are having some fruits. I know you have oil and whatever, but as what I know, for the revenue of the country, film industry is among the top 2 or the top 3. Thank you so much for the good inspiration. So that's why to the filmmakers, my friend, inshuti zanjye, aba bagabo mubona twaye agaciro hano imbere, people from the red carpet, nibo batuma sinema nyarwanda imenyekana. If you hear people from the diaspora, they are happy with our Rwandan content, Rwandan history. So aba bagabo rero nibo batuma bashira igihugu cyacu ku ikarita kugira ngo abantu babone culture yacu aho ivuye naho tuvuye naho tugeze. Mumfashe tubashimire tubakomera amashyi nanone.
This special round of applause is dedicated to all the people that support Mashariki African Film Festival and the film industry in Rwanda, i.e. the people that are seated on the front row. We appreciate your time, your effort, and your contributions. Thank you very much.
That's why I would like to invite new sponsors, new partners to join us and hope for the next 10 years to have 800 response. I mean good response that we are happy and they have 51 unfortunately only. So to invest, you know. So as I conclude, byinshi byavuzwe tuwahitedi. And the good thing in Rwanda, as we are offering the good opportunities for filmmakers for the market, we are a bilingual country. We can speak French, Swahili, Kinyarwanda, and there is a Waganda here in the home. Have a baby.
Prosperous.
Yeah, so I wanted to thank my team, the Mashariki team. Without you, we cannot make this. I can't do this alone, but with your effort, motivation, and trust you put on me, that's why this happened. And my first sponsor here today, the one who allowed me to use the money for the family to put in Mashariki, now Rahad. Now I suhuza itorero rwose abapepere rwose abasuhuze. Sponsor number 1 for Mashariki. Manzi, what is Manzi? Lion.
Yes.
Red carpet ise kutamubwiye nawe ngo nyaboneka uko wamuzeho.
Yaca kuri red carpet. Baba stari bose ko mwababonye nta n'umuntu n'umwe bari kubitaho. Hallelujah.
Oh, Amina, thank you so much.
She was too beautiful for the red carpet, that's what I said. Elle est trop belle pour le tapis rouge.
Thank you so much. Uranyubakiye rwose. Okay, anyway. So, I wanted to thank our jury member. They came to visit Rwanda to have fun, but we put them in a hotel for 7 days, watching movies, not have even time to have fun or go around, have beer. Let me ask you to stand up, then we clap for you, we say thank you. All the jury member here present, musimame tuwachapie makofi. Please stand up. Now the good moment has come. We are going to enjoy the trophy and the award ceremony. Bawa na mwabona chekuru the carpet bagiye gufata bileti. A good luck for all people in competition kugira ngo mwishime. Now allow me to welcome some of the important person in VIP, Mr. Ngabo Brav, who came with the message from the ministry. Tumwakira dukoma amashi, mwakoze cyane kubana natwe, kandi turacyafite gahunda ziryoshe nimurambirwe.
amashimwe cyane nanone tushimira cyane CEO Mutakoza Senga kandi twakira bwana Ngabo Brave Executive Secretary wa National Youth Council.
I was just telling him that I'm not a VIP, I'm just a public servant. So, dear Honorable UN Resident Coordinator, dear filmmakers, artists, film lovers, all protocol observed, good evening. Muraho, Muraho neza. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but can we have more energy? Yeah. Muraho, Muraho neza. Thank you very much. My name is Ngabo Brave Olivier. I am the Executive Secretary of the National Youth Council, and we work closely with the Ministry of Youth and Arts, which has sent me here to represent. As we gather here to the close of this incredible festival entitled Mashariki African Film Festival, for its 10th edition, the Ministry of Youth and Arts congratulates its organizers along with their partners for the contribution of development for Rwandan cinematography. Please, a round of applause for the CEO and the whole team. Thank you very much for your incredible work. It has been noticed, the 10 years, and I do strongly believe that the ministry is not part of those responses you got that started with, unfortunately. I hope so. Over the past 10 years edition, we've been transported to different worlds, lived countless lives, and shared in the profound beauty of storytelling. We've enjoyed the work that have been made by our filmmakers, our stars of tonight, of course, and been challenged in ways that only cinema can do for this edition. Mashariki African Film Festival was included this year in Youth Connecting Africa. This joint effort gave us a platform to 250 youth trained in various topics regarding film production during 3 days. The ministry appreciates the success of this capacity building, which aims at elevating the level of our local filmmakers. You know, part of our mandate as either ministry, either National Youth Council, there's job creation, also encouraging youth to be part of the creative industry as entrepreneurs. So we thank you so very much for these 3 days of intense training. Not only the master classes, but also film screening and film markets. A big thanks for the audience for your unwavering support that makes this event possible.
Mr. Adebola Williams, Mr. Tresor Senga, and Mr. George, please make your way forward to help us celebrate the 10th edition of Mashariki Africa Film Festival.
Can we all stand up as a matter of fact? Can we all rise up if you can please? And the situation you should be Chinese some cool. Are you also making it? So that's this one. It's a celebration. 10 years of African Film Festival. A celebration after all the years. So bring your good times and your happiness. Come on, let's all celebrate and have a good time. We go celebrate and have activities. For those of you who don't know, her name is Scarlett and she does makeup for movies. Don't move it. I am told, I am asked that all of you with that very beautiful makeup, please come for a picture. All of you, if you don't have that special makeup, stay at your seat. Come here, come here. Let's take one big picture. Scarlett and friends. Scarlett and friends.
It's up to you.
I'm very much in awe. Wow. All of you, come. DJ, keep it going.
It's a celebration. Let's celebrate. Come on now. Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate. It's alright. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate.
Alright. Thank you, DJ. Now before we close this out, before we take the cake away, we are about to enter in a moment in the award ceremony and to be able to award the different films and actors and directors, we have enlisted the help of a jury. We would like to kindly ask our jury to come and also take a picture with the cake. Our jury members, can you please join us and take a picture with the cake?
Si vous étiez part du jury, veuillez venir prendre une
We are asking of you, please do not judge the cake. Only judge the movies and the actors and the directors. Thank you very much.
From the pitching projects that we had, we have a couple of names, and I would like, thank you so much for the opportunity, but I would also like for CJ to come on stage to just talk about a little bit about the projects, the experiences. Then I will assist in announcing the guys who are going to win the residency, who are going to proceed to the residency. Thank you.
Thank you. I can't talk about the pitching session without recognizing the wonderful fellow jury members of the pitching session, and that would be Monica Rovic. If you would please stand up. Ben Nako, please stand up. Perlette Ramos and Andrew Miona. So we had really amazing pitches from Kenya, from Rwanda. We didn't get Rwanda, unfortunately, sorry. But we had from Tanzania, from Uganda, and the pitches were really groundbreaking. The projects were really amazing, and we are awarding 10 residencies to these
to those that participated in the Great Girls Workshop and the preaching. Thank you so much. We appreciate your heart.
Tumwongere amashyi cyane n'ukuri. Tumwongere amashyi cyane. And now, on to the awards.
On to the big awards. Starting with.
Tugiye gutanga kugira kwinjira mu muhango nyir'izina wo gutanga ibihembo ku bantu batandukanye, filime zitandukanye, abakinnyi ndetse n'abadirectors bahize abandi. Turahera kuri isi wacu Rwanda Film Pioneer Award.
Yes.
And we are going to kindly invite Mr. William Adebola, Mr. Tresor, our CEO, Professor Martin, and Mr. Brav to please join us here on stage as we prepare to give out these awards.
We welcome on stage those that will help us let us know who has won this award. We look forward to knowing what city is your Rwanda Film Pioneer. Amatsiko ni menshi ariko watsinze n'umwe ninde?
Murakoze cyane reka dusabe CEO wacu adufashe kudusobanurira.
Thank you so much. Normally this is not a competition. This is just an award of recognition and appreciation as one of the pioneer of Rwanda film industry. So he is not in competition. Briefly, is one among the top 2 or the top 1 that initiated the filmmaking in Rwanda. I can say maybe the first filmmaker, the one produced the first content in Rwanda. So he's not in competition, it's just something to appreciate and recognize him. Then the competition will be next. He is also the godfather of the festival this year. So if I do this, allow me to call Mr. George Kamanai. Bienvenue. Approchez.
Amashimwe Mr. George Kamanai. Ntawe bahangana, ntawe barushanwa iki gikombe n'ishimwe ry'umurimo akomeje gukora ateza imbere filime nyafurika. Ntawe barushanwa nawe n'ishimwe rya Mr. George Kamanai.
And Belgium filmmaker. He lives in Rwanda. Umunyarwanda kandi umunyagitarama atuye Ishyogwe. Urakabyara.
Ikinyarwanda cyanjye igikeya cyane. Ndakuvuga igifaransa. Je vais vous parler quand même en français parce que mon Killaman, vous allez rigoler constamment et vous n'allez pas m'écouter. Je suis Georges Kamana et Jean Rouge, 2 noms, donc un nom rwandais et un nom belge. Donc c'est-à-dire que je suis mixé. Je suis métis et je ne suis pas Muzungu-Nusu. Quelquefois on dit que tu es demi. Alors je demande toujours demi comme ça ou demi comme ça. Il n'y a pas de demi. Je suis 100% le produit de ma mère rwandaise. Et 100% le produit de mon père belge. Je suis 200%. Alors, comment est-ce que j'ai commencé au cinéma? Toi, tu le sais. Le cinéma, ça a été une façon de chercher mon identité. Parce que je suis né ici au Rwanda, Et à l'âge de 13 ans, on m'a déporté en Belgique. On en a plusieurs identités, bien sûr. Donc, j'encourage les jeunes rwandais d'être fiers de leurs identités. Être fier de ton passé, être fier de ton grand-père, de ce que ton grand-père a fait. C'est ça l'histoire de quelqu'un qui peut raconter une autre histoire ou l'histoire de l'autre. Et c'est ça le sens du cinéma que j'aimerais que les Rwandais fassent. Alors, même si je suis le premier, ou parmi les premiers, il y a eu d'autres. J'ai un ami à moi ici qui est là, M. Collet, Jean Collet, qui lui n'a pas été cinéaste, mais il était photographe. Et on a vécu ensemble à notre âge, ici au Rwanda aussi. Et lui, il a couvert les batailles de l'FPR quand l'FPR a pris le pouvoir dans les mauvais moments et les moments difficiles. Quand j'ai commencé ici, c'était juste après le génocide. Et même avant, j'avais fait des films sur le Rwanda, bien sûr. Mais j'ai fait les tout premiers films, le tout premier image que vous avez vu de l'attaque à Gabiro de l'FPR. Ce n'est pas moi, mais c'est une équipe à moi qui a fait ces images. Et quand j'ai présenté ces images aux télévisions belges, ils ont refusé de les diffuser. Ils ne trouvaient pas que ce n'était pas important. Et ils me disaient, mais Georges, il y a une guerre aussi en Yougoslavie. Et puis finalement, comme je connaissais le patron de la chaîne, il m'a dit, ok, mais va compter quand même les cadavres dans l'image. J'ai compté, et j'arrivais à 5 cadavres, ce n'était pas assez, ils n'ont pas diffusé. Mais par après, finalement, quand la BBC a diffusé, eux, ils ont diffusé aussi. Donc, pour vous dire comment les médias fonctionnent. Mais ce que je voudrais seulement dire, c'est que, ici, après le génocide, bien sûr, je suis revenu et j'ai envoyé du matériel. Du matériel, une caméra à l'époque coûtait le prix d'une Mercedes. Et j'ai envoyé la première caméra avec un jeune métis aussi, et par après avec Albert Luxembourg, qui est le frère d'André, qui est ici dans la salle. Par après, il y a eu Eric Abera qui a travaillé pour nous au début. C'est là où il a pris son métier. Il y a eu d'autres que j'ai oublié les noms, bien sûr. Mais c'est eux qui m'ont aidé, en fait. Je n'ai pas demandé seul cette industrie du cinéma au Rwanda. C'est eux aussi qui ont aidé et qui ont osé de travailler là-dedans à cette époque. Maintenant, aujourd'hui, c'est ça qui est le plus important. Aujourd'hui, j'encourage les jeunes Rwandais de faire la même chose que moi. J'ai eu qu'un seul métier dans ma vie, c'est le cinéma. Et on peut gagner sa vie dans le cinéma, à condition qu'on a une histoire à raconter, à condition qu'on peut intéresser les êtres dans votre histoire personnelle pour commencer et l'histoire de notre pays qui est importante. Soyez fiers de votre pays. Agachir. Merci.
Félicitations encore. Un très grand merci, M. Georges Kamanayo.
Tout le monde remercie M. Jamani wanawaresha abavuze Kamanayo kugira ngo haraza umwete isusana ndimbati kuko ntabwo byagenze ikurikiyeho n'iyihe Vanessa.
Oh, we have lots of things coming up. Awards nyinshi zikurikiyeho. Kubw'iyo mpamvu turajya duhamagara abajuri bavuge icyo bagendeyeho, turebe trailer yabiyamamaje muri iyo kategori. Noneho uwakira igihembo yatsindiye ngo afatane n'ifoto n'ugitanga dukomeze. Juri iradusobanurira muri make icyo bagendeyeho, bahitamo documentaire nziza kurusha izindi zose, ndetse inatubwire uwatsindiye iki gihembo.
Hello everybody, thank you very much. Good evening. They say you can dismiss an idea, but you can't dismiss a person and their story, and this is the beauty of documentary films. I'm very grateful to my fellow jury members, Mike and Fad, who I think has left already. We have had an incredible experience watching these films. We're very, very grateful and honored. Thank you to Trésor and the festival team for giving us this opportunity. It's been very difficult to take a decision, but we have. So we're going to announce the winner and then say a few words about the winning film. So the winner is, drum roll,
Didi.
Congratulations, Didi. Didi is a beautifully portrayed story of discovery and intergenerational reconnection. Moving memories of past lives intertwine the search for a mother figure with his testimonials of relatives fleeing persecution and genocide. A life-changing personal story to honor but ultimately move on from the past brings hope for new love and peace. The film exhibits deep historical awareness and research, as well as intimate access to its protagonists. Its consistent visual narrative and pacing draw out the beauty of dignified and eloquent testimonies that bear witness to lived experience then and now. Congratulations. A big round of applause for Didi.
To receive the award on behalf of the winner is Safari Eugene. Safari Eugene was kwakira igihembo.
Ugasaba Safari Eugene adufashe kwakira iki gihembo. So you can do the honors and give the trophy to Mr. Safari, who is going to accept it on behalf of the winner.
Who is the best upcoming actress? We will play, choose the winner. So let's welcome the trailers. For best upcoming actress.
Icyiciro gikurikiyeho icyiciro cy'abakinnyi ba filime b'abagore bashabuka bakizamuka turagira ngo turebe batwereke amashusho y'abarimu batandukanye, noneho tuze gusaba yuko tuhishurirwa uwahize abandi. Niba hari amashusho atugereho.
The jury for the best upcoming actress, you can make your way forward on stage and prepare to share a few comments on what was the basis of choosing the winner. Let us welcome the jury for the best upcoming actress.
Thank you very much. So we're going to do best upcoming actress and then actor.
This was a beautiful journey, personally for me and to my fellow jury members, but especially when it was
my Kinyarwanda classes. We know that when you present your work to the audience as an artist, actor, actress, you have put a lot of work and energy, resources, but also when there is a competition, there must be a winner, and the ones that will win next time, I wouldn't say the losers, they will win some other time. And here we go today for our best actress for the upcoming actresses category.
Thank you very much. We are going to call the actress Mrs. Bernice Ineza.
Let us welcome
Bernice Kayla.
Our media project representative to come and give the award. We would like to welcome someone from media project representative to present the award. A representative from media projects to present the award.
Congratulations, Kayla.
Congratulations. Up next is the best upcoming actor. Best upcoming actor. The jury would like to say a few words and then let us know who the winner is. So for the best actor, we'd like to welcome Canal Plus, a representative from Canal Plus, for the presentation of the award to the winner. A representative from our sponsor Canal Plus.
Est-ce qu'il y a un représentant de Canal Plus avec nous pour donner le certificat au gagnant pour les nouveaux acteurs hommes?
It's time to find out who the best upcoming actor is. The jury will let us know who the award winner for the best upcoming actor is. If there is a representative from our sponsor Canal Plus, please make a way forward to present the award.
The best upcoming actor is Roma. Congratulations. Tout le monde à la machine est Roma. Killaman, Thank you very much, Julie. Thank you, yegukanye. Merci beaucoup. Gracias. Grazie. On continue. Let's keep it moving to the next category. And that one is Best TV Series Africa.
Best TV Series. Série izindi kuri televiziyo. Dufite trailer y'abari reka tubanze tuyakire tubone kwakira juri itubwire icyo yagendeyeho ihitamo seri yahize izindi.
Allez, on va visionner les séries vidéographiques.
So, start competition.
There we go. So those are the best TV series Africa. Now we would like to kindly invite the members of the jury who had Best TV Series Africa to come and join us and give us a few words, a few remarks. Voilà, on va inviter le jury pour la meilleure série télé au niveau de l'Afrique. Pour qu'ils nous donnent qu'ils disent quelques mots. Et ensuite, on va savoir, mais quelle était la meilleure série au niveau de l'Afrique en Mashariki, African Film Festival.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I would just like to congratulate the Mashariki Film Festival CEO, Mr. Treso. Come on, guys, Thank you. The festival director, Professor Martin Hando. Come on, guys, wake up! And of course, the whole of Mashariki team for a very successful festival. And no, I'm not saying this because they gave me my first Kigali experience, but because of they created this wonderful platform for all African creatives, and they deserve a really big round of applause for that. Yes. Okay. So, announce the winner.
To present the award, we would like to call the representative from Sony and Camera Africa to present the award. Please make your way forward if you are a representative from Sony and Camera Africa.
Okay, so the winner is
To receive the award, we have the representative from Sony and Camera Africa to present the award, please. Musiki Godfrey will receive the award on Congratulations once again. We are swiftly moving on to the next category soon. Thank you so much. You all look amazing. Congratulations.
Okay, so the reason that we estimates blend of technical excellence and creative vision. Congratulations for that. So the show masterfully balances tension and emotion, drawing the audience into a world of secrets and intrigue with remarkable storytelling abilities. So for closing remarks, it's truly the standard of excellence we seek in this category. Congratulations, guys.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings from Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. And we want to thank Mashariki African Film Festival for recognizing African content, and we celebrate with you for the good work you're doing. But please allow me play a 30 seconds audio from the director and the maker of Damalai.
My name is Doreen Mirabe. I'm the creator and the producer of Damali, the TV series. Thank you so much, Mashariki African Film Festival. Thank you for organizing our TV series. Thank you, we are so honored, we are humbled. We couldn't make it, we are sorry we couldn't make it. We're here shooting the other seasons. Oh, we are so happy, we are so humbled. Thank you so much for this. Thank you so much for this movie. It means a lot to us. Thank you for loving African content and for spreading it around the world. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And the lady on my right is the lady that made the makeup.
Hi, this is so unexpected. But thank you so much, the Mashariki team. Thank you, the Mashariki. My name is Lisa Sonia. I'm team leader at Scarlet Studios. I'm in charge of the makeup and hairstyling on the Damali TV series, beauty makeup, hairstyling, and special effects. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations again, Damali. Congratulations.
Thank you very, very much. After party, wherever they are going is where I am going.
Well done. On to the next, on short notice of time, because we're short on time, the next categories will be mentioning the category, welcoming the sponsor to give the award, and they will read the winner and present the award to the person. So the jury, we thank you for your time. We will be reserving the comments due to short time. So next category.
Well, it's a very exciting one. This one, tunataka kumenya the best actor.
TV series.
TV series. Best actor TV series. Omuchini walize karanti. Mwakabo wachina mwakini zuru.
Yes, and the award will be presented by the UN Resident Coordinator. UN Resident Coordinator, please make a way to present the award of the winner.
And we are seeing on the screen the different nominees.
The nominees on screen will have the winner shortly.
Best actor in Zimbabwe TV series. We want to know, sir, who is the please tell us.
There's only one winner, and the winner is...
Okay, winners were to Best Actor TV series is...
National Youth Council to do us the honors of presenting the Best Actress Award. And here are the nominees.
Reka turebe amashusho y'abakinnyi ba filime muri wacu Best Actress TV Best Actress TV Series. Turashaka kumenya niba barangize muri abo bose turi bubone tumenye ibishurirwe uwagize abandi uwegukanye igihembo cya Mashariki bibaye ku nshuro ya 10 Mashariki African Film Festival. If you have a video, let's go with Best Actress Mziwashi TV Series. Best Actress Mziwashi TV Series.
For the Best Actress is watching TV series. Who is she?
She is unfortunately not available, so he's going to accept the award on her behalf.
Maybe I should have taken the award on behalf of Tessie just for some gender balance situation.
I know.
But swiftly move on, because one is the fact she remains the winner of the Best Actress of Easy Watch TV series. Tessie, congratulations. We wish you a speedy recovery.
Absolutely.
Now, on to the next.
So the best short film.
The best short film.
Africa.
Yes, we will welcome the jury for this special category to come and give us a few comments on what was the basis of selecting the winner. The jury, welcome.
So as we are waiting for the jury, there's a video playing all the nominees, and we kindly play this one as well. Say a few words.
First, I will read the citation for the Best Short Film, but our jury was composed of 3 jury members. Unfortunately or fortunately, one of our chief judge had to leave this morning, so me and my colleagues will represent him. The winning film is a moving exploration of loss, grief, and recovery, underscored by strong performances that resonate deeply with audiences. Through its compelling storytelling and emotive visuals, the film not only highlights the significance of cultural heritage, but also emphasizes universal quest for peace and understanding. And the award for the first short film at Mashariki African Film Festival 2024 goes to Umulundile from South Africa.
Congratulations. To give the award, we welcome the representative of Her Majesty to come and present the award to the best short film winner. Monica will receive the award on behalf of the winner.
Okay, if we don't have a representative from Angola, please do the office.
Monica is receiving the award. Congratulations again.
Thank you very much indeed. So we are back in the homeland for our very own, and this one is the Lifetime Achievement Award that we are going to celebrate.
Yes, we will watch the trailer if it's available. And for that, to present the award, we would like to kindly request Mr. William Adegola. We kindly request your attention and your presence to deliver the award to the winner. If there is a trailer, please play it. Other than that, drum rolls for who the winner is. Welcome.
Yohani video ya Lifetime Achievement Award twakina iwandahani wekaba tuyishurire watsinze kasi yatsinze watsinze nibaza.
Alright. And the winner for the Isiwamshu Female Lifetime Achievement Award, another soundtrack. You keep playing, keep playing.
It's for suspense. We want people to have heart attack.
But this is a man's name. And the winner is Uwamahoro Antoinette.
Antoinette. It's a famous name. I know.
Thank you so much, Mr. Williams, for the presentation of the award. Congratulations again to the winner. You both were looking so regal. It looks almost planned.
Absolutely.
Best dressed by all means. The award giver, the award receiver. I like this energy. Well done. Now, on to the next.
So this one was on the female side.
Yes.
And we have also on the male side, Lifetime Achievement Award.
Iziwachu Lifetime Achievement Award, male category.
Absolutely.
We will have the Azam representative come present the award. The representative from our sponsor Azam, please make your way forward to present the award. Award male category. The winner is, we're about to find out. I hope it's not a female name on that paper. Lifetime Achievement Awards. Congratulations once again, we need the hero for the Iziwachu Lifetime Achievement Award male category. Up next, we have actor in the web series category. So Iziwachu at best actor in the web series. We're about to find out who the winner is.
Wakiriho muri filime z'ubuhererekane zica kuri televiziyo noneho tugiye gutanga igihembo kuzica kuri interineti mudasobwa murandasi.
The award of
the Best Actor Web Series. CJ Atubile, who is the winner?
Muchiniza muri kategori y'abagabo muri seri zica kuri murandasi.
And the winner is Killaman.
kubabona hano abatandukanye bari guhatana muri uyu mwanya.
To present the award, we like we have celebrated.
Best Director is Ziwachu TV series, and the winner is
The winner is
This is the big award of the night. I just wanted to use the opportunity to thank Trezor and the entire Mashariki team. Our jury president had to leave, Monica, and yeah, so we'll just announce because I know everybody's getting itchy. So yes, let's go. The winner of the best feature film, Mashariki, African Film Festival 2024.
Africa Disco, a Malagasy story.
Congratulations! To present the award, we would like to welcome the representative of the Rwanda Film Office, Madame Birgit. If you could make your way up front, do us the honors to give the award. Receiving the award on behalf of the winner. Please make your way forward to receive the award on behalf of the winner of the Best Featured Film. Ganza Moris.
Ganza is not here. Somebody else can accept you on his behalf.
Okay, Ganza Moris has been found. Film.
Thank you very much indeed. Moving right along with the next category. A few explanations and of course help us give away that award. Igihembo cyihariye cya Mashariki reka dusabe CEO na madamu baze badufashe gutanga icyo gihembo no kudusobanurira icyagendeweho.
Thank you so much, Mr. Manzi. Allow me to explain the reason why we choose this award after announcing the winner. It's an award that the entire Mashariki team, they sit and they choose someone that they love so much. Not that others, but they love. That's why I will take the opportunity to invite all the Mashariki team in 1 minute. Muze tumuhamagare tufate n'agafoto adusanga then dukomeze izindi gahunda. Please, the Mashariki team, join your stage. Please come. Wali Mahehe. Mashariki team is more like a cooperative.
This is indeed a special award.
Thank you so much. As we are announcing the Mashariki Awards, we have the pleasure and honor to call upon on stage Mr. Mugisha Emmanuel Festival. As a team, twaricaye turavuga ninde mu dukunda cyangwa se inshuti yacu ariko bose turabakunda ariko tuza guhitamo Clapton. That's why you saw him on the festival trailer as we are celebrating the 10th anniversary. Manzi rero nta yindi mpamvu niyo ngiyo gusa bose turabakunda. Uri mfura kandi
ntabwo nabonye ikintu mvuganye gatuwe gusa kuvuga ngo mwaye igihembo cy'umuntu abantu bateguye ibintu byose cyangwa festival ikomeye gutya mukaba igihembo cy'ukuntu mwamunze ikintu cyose ngiyemo icyo gikundo niyo nsenga Imana iyo igikundo ibintu rero n'ibi bintu byo Imana ikorera ni icyari mu gihe Imana ibahoresha.
Hallelujah. So what's the word?
He just expressed his gratitude and say in every prayer in the in the web series, who is the winner?
Voilà, who is the winner? Reka dufashe bamwe ibahasha maze tumusabe yegere hano imbere kugira ngo aduhishurire. So if you are a fan of gin, we have some cocktails, some gin-based cocktails outside, and best of all, it is absolutely free from B1 Gin.
Do not drink and drive. better have your driver ready.
The winner is the forest.
Nyambo, baby. Nyambo, grazie di ponte. E grazie da pure di studio. Every day I used to go to the forest. I don't know. This guy. I was not accepted. Like, now but this guy changed my journey. He's the one who told me that you can do it. And he thought, like, when you should everything. So now people are calling me game changer because of this guy. I want to appreciate you in front of you. Thank you very much.